Another day, another sesh. We are currently at Byrd Park. It is, here you go. It is beautiful Saturday afternoon. It's approximately 3:24 p.m. Saturday, January 8th, and we are again at Byrd Park. Currently, I'm at the landing at Fountain Lake, though. Here you guys go. Just wanted to show you guys around here before we go and walk around the park or this lake. If you're new here, we ask that you like the video, which really helps us out with YouTube's algorithm. And drop a comment below of where else you would like us to possibly visit or go. Again, I'm using the DJI Pocket 2. Currently on auto with no ND filters. If you guys have any suggestions for ND filters, if you guys could drop it down in the comment section below, that'd be greatly appreciated. It's very cold today. Oh, this is bird shit. A lot of bird poop on the ground. Alright, so now we are walking around the park at Byrd Park. Now, this park is kind of funny. It was essentially built, in my opinion, in two stages. We've always had this section, but then they recently built another section. And when I say recently, I mean like over, the last 2 decades. Damn, got some people with, children in here. I'm gonna take some shots over there. Again, we are at Byrd Park in Richmond, Virginia. There's a lot of benches here for you to sit down and bird watch, essentially. There's a lot of birds coming over here now. Come on, go. There's a pigeon. Oh, y'all tripping. Very decent and quiet park where you can just jog, sit in your car, read a book. Again, bird watch. Now, I'm not sure if you can fish out here, but if memory serves me correct, I believe I've seen people fishing out here. I just believe you gotta toss it back. Again, the settings on the DJI currently on auto, 4K, 60 frames per second, but in post it goes down to 24 frames. I have no ND filters on this device, but I'm interested in using ND filters. It is brick out here. Like, my hands are cold. It's a very cold day today. Guys, tell me how the audio is. There's a lot of bird activity when we were walking up here. Let me know how it sounded. Currently engaging in the smoking of marijuana or monta, cannabis. Puff giving is occurring right now at Byrd Park. So if you hear me inhaling and blowing out occasionally, I apologize. One thing that I want to do is when we get to like road signs, I do want to just like stop briefly and let you guys see where exactly we are, because it kind of gives you a better idea of what direction we're going. Now, there's the entrance to William Byrd Park. We'll be over there on the second part of this video, which I don't know. I'm still debating if I want to split it or make it just one big video. I'll probably make this like part 1 of Byrd Park and then the other section part 2. Excuse me. Right. No, you guys are fine. I really don't know how many laps around this lake equals a mile, but I'm assuming based on how it looks, it would be generally 4, maybe 4.5 laps around to make a mile. Maybe only 3, I don't know. When we go around, I'm gonna let you guys see that sign that's on the bathroom doors from the CDC. Now, what's just crazy is I was watching, or I'm subscribed to another channel that does essentially what I'm doing, and they are in the UK or in Europe somewhere, and they're currently going on lockdowns and mandatory curfews and things like that in regards to, I believe, the Omicron variant. So I'm wondering, are we also going down that path? Because I was literally out at this park maybe a week or 2 ago, and I was able to use the bathrooms. The bathrooms were public. You could walk in, piss, wash your hands, everything. Now we are out here and can't use the bathrooms. And there's a sign on the door with a padlock that states, hey, you know, public restrooms are disgusting, and, you know, we're here to let you know, like, look, be careful. Like, whoa, wait a minute. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's wild. So, again, when we go across, make it back over there, I'm gonna let you guys see that sign. So, I don't know, there's a lot of hints and things being dropped that are kind of foreshadowing that we're gonna go down the road or down the same path of like mandatory lockdowns again, which leads me to question, are they gonna do the unemployment thing again, or the pandemic assistance thing, or are we just gonna be on a curfew or lockdown? Is it gonna be vaccinated versus unvaccinated? Like, it's a lot of questions out there, because again, reviewing another YouTuber's channel and seeing what's going on in their current country currently leads me to believe we're slowly heading down that way, because it seems like the United States is always behind in things like this in regards to this, like from technology to, like, other countries had 5G before we did. Like, they on 6G, 7G. We still on 5G, and we can't even get it right over here. So it's like, that's why in all the movies like 28 Days Later and movies where it deals with zombies or some shit like that in other countries, they never fully go down. You know what I'm saying? Like, the world doesn't end for them. But in the US, like, the whole world is over. Everybody's dead. Like, it's not funny, but you did. Let me see how this camera does with the reflection off the lake at Byrd Park. Guys, let me know how that looks there. Again, it's approximately, I'd say give or take 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's almost evening now. Now that we've gone around once or twice, I can actually feel the heat off the sun now. Body's warming up pretty decently, so it's a nice, comfortable walk now. Again, here at Byrd Park, there are plenty of places to sit. There's benches all over this park. That's just my vape pen, guys. Vaping 250 milligrams of CBD, pure CBD, organic. You know, it's been lab tested. The purest of the pure. Which I highly recommend for other YouTubers who may be uncomfortable coming outside with the camera, or, you know, talking on camera. Try some CBD. Or try some weed, you know. I'm just like that. We are approaching the landing at something lake, which is essentially like a concession stand and like a restroom. But again, like I said, the whole thing is shut down, padlocked up, and there's signs on it that state, hey, you know, CDC recommend whatever. So, and again, it doesn't make sense to me because prior to us going on a full lockdown, they snatched all the porta potties. They padlocked and locked all public restrooms at parks and different recreation centers, shut them down, locked them down, and then we were locked down, you know. But this time, it's like it's slowly happening. I don't know. I may be wrong, but just saying, like, it's very, very eye-opening, to say the least. Because look, there's a porta potty over there. I'm not sure you guys can see that. So it leads me to believe like we may be going back on a lockdown. See, look, I'm gonna let y'all see. Hold on, look. Okay, first of all, it's padlocked, and then look what it says. Be advised that these outdoor amenities are not sanitized, so please use with caution and follow the CDC health and safety guidelines. We reiterate the importance of social distancing and avoiding of large gatherings and group activities. City of Richmond. It's on both doors. And look, door's locked. And water fountains are off. So I don't know. You tell me what it looked like. To me, it looks like we about to go on another lockdown, but I could be wrong. All right, I'm gonna pause this video and start another one because we're gonna go across to the other side and we'll show you the other side of Byrd. Stay tuned.